So I think this looks better. Okay, next. So since we have done the basic preparation, so I'm gonna make another new method here. Public void and the town gate. Yeah, so basically this game starts at this town gate. And so first, okay, I'm gonna type like an opening text here. And so, yeah, we're gonna use this main text area again to display text. So main text area, and this time again use this setText, and this time we're gonna manually type the text here inside of these double quotations. So you are at the gate of the town, and a guard is standing in front of you. What do you do? Okay. And also, okay, let me type here town gate. So this way, after this player setup method is processed, then it's gonna call this town gate method, and so yeah, it's gonna process this code. Okay, let's check it. So start, and now here you are at the gate of the town. A guard is standing in front of you. What do you do? So this okay, this text is displayed. Yeah, it's kind of simple, I think. So this setText, you can display this text, and this time we displayed this on this main text area. But I think this doesn't look so good. I mean, standing and the G, only G is here, and so I'm gonna insert some line break. So that way I think this text looks better. So I'm gonna insert line break. So /n means line break, and also here 2 line breaks, I think. Yeah, here. I think this looks better. Okay, the next step is we're gonna place text on these buttons, and so we are now at the town gate, and so we have several choices, several actions we can choose, player. And so first, choice one means this button one, this one, JButton. And again, setText. And the first choice is talk to the guard. And the choice 2, second choice, is attack the guard. Double quotation. And choice 3 is leave. And the choice 4 is no choice. We have only 3 choice here, so just blank text. Okay, let's check this. So now it displays like this. Talk to the guard, attack the guard, and leave. So we have 3 choices to choose your action. Okay, first let's create the result of this action. First action, talk to the guard. So to do that, I'm gonna make another method here, and I'm gonna name this as talk guard. And so another main text area, setText, and guard. Hello, stranger. I have never seen your face. I'm sorry, but we cannot let a stranger enter our town. Okay. So if you talk to the guard, then guard says something like this. And we also make this button label as well. Let's delete this. Okay, I just type like this. Also, I'm gonna make another string. Okay, called position. Wait. And okay. And we're gonna use this position string here. Position, and here town gate. And this one is position equal talk guard. So how we're gonna use this position string? So basically we're gonna use this to recognize, let the program recognize where you are, where player's current location. So without this information, even if you click choice 1, but the program doesn't know this choice 1 is this one or this one. So we need some information to let the program know the player's current location. But I'm gonna explain with an example a bit later. So just a moment. Okay, so now we created this talk guard method, and so the next step is, so we need to type code that handle this button click. At this moment, even if you click this, nothing happens because we haven't written any program to handle this button click. So just like we did for the start button, we need to write a code to let the player move from this town gate to this talk guard if you click this choice 1, button 1. So to handle this button click, we're gonna make another class here. So last time we created this title screen handler to handle start button click action, and so this time we're gonna make another class to handle these 4 buttons, choice buttons action. So public class, I'm gonna name this choice handler, and the rest is same. ActionListener, public void action formed action event. Okay, and also here what was it? Choice handler. Okay, choice handler equal new choice handler. Okay, so we're gonna use this choice handler. So for the start button, we typed like this: add action listener and the TS handler. So just like this, we're gonna add this choice handler to these 4 choice buttons. So choice 1, add action listener, and choice handler. I'm going to copy this, and also choice 2 as well. Choice 2, add action listener, choice handler, and also choice 3, add action listener, and choice 4 as well. 4, okay. But the difference between these 4 buttons and this start button is now we have 4 buttons, not 1 button, not only start button, but 4 buttons. So we need to add one more line to let the program recognize, the difference between these 4 buttons. Otherwise, like even if you click this button 1 or 2 or 3 or 4, the result will be the same, because current program doesn't recognize the difference between these 4 buttons. So we're gonna add one more line here to do that. Set ActionCommand, and between this double quotation, I'm gonna type C1 here. You can type whatever you want though, but this is the key to make the difference, these buttons. And also here, choice 2, set ActionCommand, and this time C2. And choice 3, set ActionCommand, and C3. Oh no, C3. And C4. This might look a bit complicated, but yeah, this will be explained as we proceed this program. So just a moment, and now we can write some code here, choice handler code. And so first what we want to do is, this button 1, town gate. You are at the town gate, and if you click this one, talk to the guard, then this talk guard method will be called. So to do that, first I'm gonna make string here again, and I'm gonna name this as a your choice equal event get action command. Okay, so what this means, so this means we just added this action command to these 4 buttons, C1, C2, C3, and C4. And so this means, so if you click choice 1, then so if you click this choice 1 button, then this C1 will be put into this your choice string, and if you click choice 2, then the C2 will be put into this your choice. So that's what this code means, get action command. And so this way, this code can recognize which button was clicked by the player. Okay, now we're gonna write the results for each button. And so to do that, I'm gonna use this switch function. Switch. If you don't know what this switch is like a if statement, similar to if statement. And so yeah, basically we are trying to do like a your choice dot equals c1, then talk guard method will be called. This can also work. So this means, if your choice is C1, then let's call this talk guard. So if you click this talk to the guard, then C1 will be put into this your choice. And yeah, so if C1, your choice is C1, then call talk guard. So this also works, but we're gonna create a lot of branch, choice branch. So, and to handle, a lot of branches, and I think switch is better. Yeah, like you can type like this, like yeah, C2 and C3 and C4 and another result here, and but this makes the code very long, and so yeah, if you use switch, then you can make the code more simple, I think. Yeah, so I'm gonna use switch, not if statement here. And the first I'm gonna type position here. Position, first, how to say, criteria, first let the program recognize the player's location. So like a player clicked button 1 at town gate or another location, we need to know that. And so first town gate. So this means position is town gate. Player's position is town gate. Town gate here. Position. Town gate. So if position was town gate, then another switch here. And this time we're gonna use your choice. And the case, this time C1. And talk guard. Okay, and break. And so we also like C2. But we haven't created any result for C2 and C3, so we don't write anything for now. But yeah, we type like this. Yeah, so another switch is inside of this switch. So first decide the position, and then decide which button was clicked. And if button 1 was clicked, then this talk guard method will be called. Okay, let's check the program. Okay, start, and talk to the guard, click, and here another text is displayed. Hello stranger, I have never seen your face. I am sorry, but we cannot let the stranger enter our town. Okay, I think I'm gonna make the font a bit smaller. I think this normal font, I think I'm gonna change this to 28 maybe. I think this looks better. And I also insert some line break, I think. Probably here, line break. Okay, I think this looks better. So, hello stranger, I have never seen your face. So we could change the text. And also let me type a little bit more. okay, break here, and another case, and this time talk guard, and another switch, and your choice. Oops. Choice, and okay, case C1. So this means, if position was talk guard, so talk guard, if player position was talk guard, and if player, so basically we are here, we talk to the guard, and now if player click this button 1, okay, so let's call town gate again and break. Okay, so this way, so this is town gate, and if you click button 1, then we can talk to the guard, and if you click this button 1 here, then we can go back to the town gate. So the result changes, depends on the position you are at now. So that's why we needed this information, talk guard or town gate. Even if you press C1, this C1, but the result changes. So that's why we created this switch, switch tree or something. Yeah, so that's how this, button click works. So we're gonna add another, result function to these buttons as well. Right now we haven't written any code for these buttons, so nothing happens, but we're gonna add the code for each button, and so that you can proceed the story. Yeah, but I think I'm gonna finish this for now. So yeah, this time we created this player panel, and display this label and the variable. We used the int variable and the string variable, and we also put text here, and also we handle this button click. So now we can change this main text area like this. On the next video, we're gonna continue to create the story. I think we have done the basic part of this game. We have created the basic UI and the buttons and everything, and so we just need to create a story and a battle system as well. Probably this switch part may look a bit complicated, but yeah, I think you will get used to it. As we proceed this code, we're gonna make a lot of these switch case and the break and the thing from now on. So basically this is a basic format. So we just need to add another result for each button click. So yeah, if you have any questions, please feel free to leave comment, so I'm gonna answer as best as I can. But anyway, that's it for now. Thank you very much for watching, and see you again. Bye.